Hi my dear friends, welcome to my channel Noila Creations. Today I am making one of Goa's most comforting sweets, Pansache Dhonas. It's soft, mildly sweet and made with the richness of ripe jackfruit pulp, broken wheat and coconut. If you have never made it before, don't worry. I'll show you how to prepare it step by step. In a mixer jar, add 1 cup of ripe deseeded jackfruit. Cover the mixer jar with the lid and grind into a smooth paste. Place a pan on medium flame, add 1 tablespoon of clarified butter, add half cup of broken wheat, roast it on low flame until it turns light brown in color and releases the aroma. Add 1 cup of hot water, and mix well. If you like this video, do give it a like, share it with your family and friends and subscribe for more recipes. Make sure to click on the bell icon to get notified the moment I upload a new video so that you don't miss any of my videos. Add half cup of grated sugarcane jaggery. Add the jackfruit paste and mix well. Ensure that there are no lumps formed. Continue stirring until the jaggery melts completely. Add 1/4 teaspoon of salt as per your taste. Add half cup of grated coconut. Mix well. Add few cashew nut pieces and mix. Add half teaspoon of cardamom powder and stir. I'm adding little more grated sugarcane jaggery. You can add grated sugarcane jaggery as per your taste. Mix well. Once the donuts becomes thick and the water dries completely, switch off the flame. Keep aside for 30 minutes. Then add half teaspoon of baking powder and mix well. Grease a baking tin with clarified butter. Transfer the donuts into it. Spread evenly. Tap the baking pan a few times. I baked in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 32 minutes, but keep checking after 25 minutes if it's ready, as timings and temperatures of various ovens may differ. Insert a knife in the donuts to check if it's ready. If the knife comes out clean, then Pansache Dhonas is ready. Once the donuts is cool, you can unmold it onto a plate. Pansache Dhonas is often made during the jackfruit season in Goan homes. When it's baking in the oven, the aroma fills the whole house. Look at how beautifully it's baked, golden, soft and moist inside. I'm decorating it with a turmeric leaf, cashew nuts and jackfruits. Just slice and enjoy with a cup of tea. If you are a jackfruit lover, this one's a must try. See you all in my next video. Until then, happy baking and thanks for watching.